Good morning or afternoon now. Here I'm going to change the in-cabin air filter. This is the part number. Move out the way. Part number for the in-cabin air filter. For the windshield wipers, I put them up and then I shut it off so that I can better access this portion over here. For this portion right here, I don't know if you can see in there because of the lighting. You're going to need something like a flathead or something to pop these out. And then there's one over there. Alright, so after popping that out, let me see if I can. Oops. After popping that out, you're going to pull this up here. Be careful with that portion there. And then a little clip under there. Now you can just pull it right there. Put it right there. Because this portion right here doesn't really unclip like that. So I'll just leave that. So now that you have that out the way, onto this next portion here. This next portion here, notice how these clips are over the top of it, so when we're putting it back, we're gonna have to put it back that same way. Next portion here, like that. Put this over to the side where you don't lose it. I'm gonna clean that off. And then this came with some nice little tabs, and you can see here, try not to shake it about too much. Dirty, freaking dirty. It's disgusting, but happens. I'm gonna vacuum this area out. You can fast forward past this portion, but I just do this for myself. Oh, this one sucks. Not as strong. Not as strong as the other one. You don't want for anything to fall in there. Alright, so now that we cleaned it up as best as possible, your new filter. Oh great, which way is the airflow? Which way does the air flow? I'm assuming if the tab thing is right here, the airflow is going to come down in through there, and then go into the engine compartment, since the tab here is on the top. So back to it again. Airflow goes down into it, and I'm going to insert it here. Kind of got to bend it because it's not okay, and it bent itself right in there. Boom. And then now we just work in reverse, putting back everything. So first is this. Like I said, I'm going to clean this off real quick. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's going to do. So push that piece up underneath there. You can see the old lines where it was sitting at. Boom, right there. That piece in the corner there. That part's back on. This second portion, if you struggle like me, you're gonna have to push these clips back down in there, make sure the hole's aligned. Oh crap. Don't do what I did. Pull this out first so that this can contract, go in, and then you push the tab back in. Same for this one. Make sure it's out. Push that tab back in. Boom. Locked in place. And don't forget to put this piece here. And you're all set.